Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, and if your interior dome lights do not work or you want to find the fuse where the fuse is located for the interior lights, dome lights, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain something that most people don't do correctly when replace a fuse, guys. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So let's explain now, guys, okay, what we have here. So we're going to come inside the car, okay, and when we come inside now here, okay, the interior dome lights fuse, guys, okay, if you come right here now next to the steering wheel where the pedals are, you come underneath, okay, and right here, guys, okay, let me show you now. Okay, I'm going to position it that way. You have a fuse box, that fuse box, guys, right here. So if you look at that fuse box, the fuse for the dome lights, guys, okay, will be the second fuse on the left row from top to bottom. So the fuse that I'm talking about, guys, okay, will be that 5 amp fuse, that 5 amp fuse. That's the one for the dome lights. Now, if you need to buy new fuses for a really good price, quick shipping, guys, with fuse pullers, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Also, when you remove the fuse, I'll recommend, even if it looks fine, okay, you can see the element inside, always test them. I'll put a link to a video that explains how to test the car fuse, because if you don't do it right, okay, you may end up spending so much time trying to fix something, because not always the fuse is visible if it's burnt or not. So always test them, in my opinion, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.